you age, what happens is every 10 years, your vision needs more light. And the reason is because, I don't know, not cataracts, but just something happens to the eyes as they age that you need more light. So I didn't realize that what happened is these little lights that are, what is it? Well, this one's not working at all. And yeah, I touched it and it works. But the thing is now I can see a lot better in my pantry, and it could stand some cleaning up. It's kind of messy, and it needs a little organizing. So that's what I can do today, is I can organize. I usually put plastic bags that I use as trash bags in a Kleenex box, because you can stick about 10 of them in there, and I haven't figured out a way to do trash without plastic. So anyway, I've got the light on for the camera, but I think you can see that when there's motion, the light comes on in here, and it's got magnets on the back, so it will stick to the bottom of these plastic shelves. All right, so this is accessibility, because if you can't see inside your pantry, and listen, this is pretty dark without that light. And so, yeah, but you have to have motion.